Solve using the quadratic formula. T squared minus 5/3 t plus 1/3 equals 0. Recall that the quadratic formula gives the solution x of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And it's x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. To make things easier, let's multiply both sides of our equation by the LCD of each term, which is 3. That will clear our fractions so that a, b, and c for the quadratic formula will be integers. When we multiply both sides of the equation by 3, we have 3t squared minus 5t plus 1 equals 0. Now we can use the quadratic formula where a is 3, b is negative 5, and c is 1. We have t is equal to negative of negative 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1 all over 2 times 3. Now we simplify. We have t equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 12 all over 6. Subtracting in the radical, we have 5, or t equals 5, plus or minus the square root of 13 all over 6. This gives us the solution set. The set containing 5 plus or minus the square root of 13 all over 6, which we can also write by listing out each solution separately. The set containing 5 minus the square root of 13 all over 6 and 5 plus the square root of 13 all over 6. We can verify that the solution is accurate by substituting each individual solution in for t in the original equation and verifying that it does satisfy, or each does satisfy, the original equation.